Um, just before I deliver my speech, it's really a good sight tonight to see the colorful, because I'm more used to the uniforms that I see in Lambasa, mostly when I was in Lambasa, the blue uniform with the stripe on the road. And today you all look, see the colors tonight, it's a sea of colors, and represents the camaraderie here, and I thank you. You all look good tonight. Ratu Sabanada Sinloli, Chairman of the Executive Board of Directors, Water Authority of Fiji, CEO of the Water Authority of Fiji, Dr. Amit Chan, members of the Executive Management and staff of the Water Authority of Fiji, the sponsors, organizers, supporters, and of this year's Water Authority Fiji Staffs Award, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Mio Sambulare. It is indeed an honor to be here tonight to deliver the keynote address at your 2024 Staff Excellence Award Night. I wish to extend my heartfelt appreciation to the Chairperson of the Executive Board of the Directors of Water Authority, Ratu Sabanada Sinloli, and the CEO of Water Authority of Fiji, and the organizing committee of this year's Staff Excellence Award for the invitation to be part of your awards celebration. I have been informed that this year's annual award was activated after a lapse of 4 years, the last Staff Excellence Award being in the year 2020. We can all recall that juncture in our global history, as it was then that the COVID-19 pandemic impacted us all, professionally, our daily livelihoods, physically, mentally, and emotionally. As a statutory body in the service industry, you yourselves challenge it through with COVID safety measures in place. And your part in that has affected us in our going through the fight for challenges during the COVID challenge in 2020. For that, on behalf of the people of Fiji, I thank you all for your perseverance, your adherence for the organization's safety first protocols, and your commitment to providing quality drinking water and wastewater services to 154,000 residential and non-residential metered customers in the urban and the suburban areas with work progress for citizens living in rural areas. Ladies and gentlemen, I wish to commend the executive management of Water Authority of Fiji, as well as the members of the organizing committee, for reinstating the awards event to acknowledge the hard work of your staff, especially in this vital sector. I am particularly pleased to be in the company of so many dedicated professionals who work tirelessly to ensure that one of our most vital resources, water, as well as wastewater, is managed effectively across our nation. Allow me to briefly share with you our commitments at the 10th World Water Forum. I was honored to be invited to the 10th World Water Forum held in Bali, Indonesia in May this year, where your chairman was also present. The theme we discussed as world leaders was water for shared prosperity. I reminded world leaders present at the water remains significant for our shared planet and destiny. Therefore, the vitality of water cannot be overemphasized. It is the very essence of life, the pulse of our planet, and the vital element that connects us all. As a traditional leader, I am very vocal in reminding my chiefs and people of Motherwater that we are blessed to have water sources close to our villages and settlements. Now the onus is on us to protect the water sources, to allow for everyone to have access to clean water, and to ensure that accessible water is most importantly safe to consume and use. Water sustains life, and it is time that all stakeholders like us present tonight to take stock of our progress, and address ongoing challenges to the SDG 6, which is access to clean water and sanitation. I had reminded leaders present that for us in Fiji and the Pacific, although remote island states, small in size, we have special relations and dependency on the natural environment. This relationship has increasingly become fragile as rapidly changing climate, sea level rise, and extreme weather events that batter our already delicate ecosystems, compounding our access to water and food. Our sustainable development is largely dependent on the access to water and to our livelihood, which is why it is responsible management is vital for our shared future, especially in the time of worsening climate change. I remind us again that it becomes an integral part of our effort towards achieving the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, as we double our efforts towards ensuring that everyone gets access to clean water and sanitation, including those related to health, education, gender, and poverty alleviation by 2030. These past years have not been without its challenges. We have been confronted with natural disasters that placed undue pressure on water authorities' machinery, the undeniable impacts of climate change, resulting in drastic changes in weather patterns, as well as affecting operational changes and the ongoing need to upgrade and maintain water authorities' infrastructure. Despite these obstacles, the Water Authority team has pledged its commitment to deliver the unequivocally essential water and wastewater services to all families and business across the nation. The reward system boosts employee morale, motivates colleagues towards self-improvement, encourages innovation, prompts constructive conversation, and inspires people and organizational engagements, all of being which results in productive workplaces. This syncs seamlessly with culture of appreciation that I, as head of state and chancellor of the Order of Fiji, strongly advocate. Regardless of the strategic business units you may bring along, your role is integral to the organization's overall success. To the award recipients, congratulations to you and your families on your well-deserved recognition. Tonight is also about the memory of your colleagues who have passed on. We remember their contribution to fulfilling the organization's goal, as well as their participation and contribution to strengthening national commitments. I wish to commend the Executive Board, management, staff of the Water Authority of Fiji for committing to national and international development strategies. The Water Sector Strategy 2050 is now online, prioritizing projects and programs aimed at transforming the delivery of service as well as aiding water and wastewater infrastructures over the next 3 years. Innovation and adaptation are key elements to progress. Let us commit to ensuring that every citizen has reliable access to clean and safe water and wastewater management in place. Let us invest in sustainable practices, infrastructure that will benefit generations to come. I extend my heartfelt Wiliame to the board and executive management for their leadership, the event sponsors for their support, and all staff members and respective families for their continuous dedication. Once again, congratulations to all the awardees. May tonight's celebration inspire us all to continue to strive for excellence. May God bless you all. May God bless Fiji. Enjoy the rest of the evening.
Thank you so much, Your Excellency. I apologize. We will move straight into the awards proper, and the first set of awards is going to be His Excellency to present. I think just a moment for him to rest his legs, but I'm going to invite him up very, very shortly. Ladies and gentlemen, for our awards presentation, the first set of awards, we have a total of 15 awards to present. We will then take a break to enjoy some entertainment, some dance, and then and dinner as well. I didn't forget about dinner. And then when we return, we have a recognition award as well and some sports awards. Now, I use this time as well just to explain a few things with regards to the awards protocol. Ladies and gentlemen, to all of you who have, worked tirelessly over the last year, thank you and congratulations for all the hard work, the teams and individuals. Only a few will be recognized tonight, but the achievement of one person is the achievement of everyone. So let's start with a big round of applause. You each contribute to the overall goals and expectations of the Water Authority of Fiji. So congratulations. And I think, as mentioned very well by His Excellency, we acknowledge the husbands, the wives, the families, and the children, those who are at home who have supported you so that you can serve Fiji the best of your abilities. Let's give them a big round of applause, please. For our awards presentation, the nominees, congratulations again. We ask that when you are announced, please, if you can come up on stage, just behind me, here to the right. All our nominees, you will also be receiving something this evening. And while you're up here, we'll also announce the winner. So stand up here. So many people would have been recognized. You are the top that be recognized this evening for your achievements. Also, ladies and gentlemen, in any case that a representative or a nominee is not present, please, we ask a representative in the department or the manager who is present, please, if you can come to receive it on their behalf. So we look to you for your cooperation. With that, are we ready to find out the winners for the Water Authority of Fiji Awards 2024? There's a slight doubt and hesitation. Are we ready, ladies and gentlemen? All right, let's keep that spirit. Keep those hands warm because you're going to do a lot of applause this evening. To begin, I would now like to invite once again His Excellency, please, if you can join us on stage. We're presenting 15 awards, and I know that you're all warmed up and ready to go to do that presentation, sir. Thank you very much, sir, for doing this great honor. Ladies and gentlemen, our first award to be presented tonight is the Best Customer Service Excellence Award External. This award recognizes the staff member who has provided exceptional service to external customers. Ladies and gentlemen, these are the nominees for the Best Customer Service Excellence Award External. Congratulations, Rosaline Maharaj from Customer Experience. Vanil Chand from Finance. And Rupeni Rakase from Infrastructure Delivery. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of the Best Customer Service Excellence Award External is Rosaline Maharaj, Customer Experience. Our nominees as well, Vinil Chand of Finance and Rupeni Rakase. Congratulations, and he's from Infrastructure Delivery. Let's give him a big round of applause. On behalf of Rupeni. Let's give them a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Our first award this evening. Congratulations to Rosaline and colleagues, the nominees. Let's give them another big round of applause. I apologize. Vinil Chand. Vinil Chand, the nominee. Congratulations. Thank you very much. That's our first award this evening. Please, Best Customer Service Excellence Award External. Congratulations to our nominees and our winner. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, our next award, Best Customer Service Excellence Award Internal. This award honors the staff member who has shown outstanding service to internal customers. Ladies and gentlemen, the nominees are, congratulations to Shivani Krishna of Finance. Faisal Ali of Infrastructure Delivery. And Alisi Wakana of Customer Experience. With that, ladies and gentlemen, the winner of Best Customer Service Excellence Award Internal is congratulations, he's from Infrastructure Delivery. He is Faisal Ali. We also recognize the nominees. Congratulations, Shivani Krishna from Finance. And Alisi Wakana from Customer Experience.